me like a child again. Make me simple and trusting. Make me like a child again. Make me gentle and loving. Change my eyes that I may see all the world that surrounds me. Change my heart that I may be innocent and adoring. Make me like a child again. Make me simple and trusting. Make me like a child again. Make me gentle and loving. Lord, help me to realize all your beauty unfolding in the birds soaring through the skies, in the flower I'm holding. Make me like a child again, in my fear and my doubting. Gather me in your arms again. Ease the pain I've been hiding. Gently whisper that you are there, waiting only to guide me through the door and then up the stair to the room